I've never been pessimistic about the United States. I bought my first stock in the spring of 1942. I was 11, and if you remember, you don't remember. No one watching this will remember, but we were losing the war at that time, and we were getting totally creamed in the South Pacific, and the Philippines fell, and the Death March at Bataan, and all of that sort of thing. It was not until the Battle of Midway, which was a little later, that things started turning around. But I was optimistic on the country then, and I've been optimistic on the country ever since. And incidentally, the Dow Jones average then was 117,000 now. No one has ever been a success betting against America since 1776, and they're not going to be a success in the future doing it either.
I know when the Dow hit 1,000, it was a moment of euphoria. Yet, if I'm not mistaken, you plowed in and you even raised more funds. Has the Dow ever felt to you like it was way too frothy?
There were a couple of times when it looked too frothy to me, but that's in 50 years. And you know, I gave a talk in 1999, and it's gotten reprinted in Fortune subsequently. And there have been a couple of times when it really looked to me like people had gotten too excited. But even then, I knew that the country would, you know, any marker that we'd established, we were going to surpass later on. And that continues true to today. I mean, this country